for many decades already, Cebu has always had that vibrant real estate sector. A lot of people want to relocate here because in Cebu you can have it all. I mean, there are a lot of places, good places to study. Work is easy to find. Plus, you can enjoy the best of both worlds because Cebu also has so many tourist spots. That's why a lot of locals and foreigners love to buy properties here. Because of the property boom in the recent years, it is hard to find a good property within the city. So today, guys, we're gonna check out Amaya Steps in Mandaue. So hi guys, we're here right now at Amaya Hotel for the exclusive preview of Amaya Tower 2. Okay, Amaya Steps, no? Tower 2 for Mandaue, right? So this is Ayala Land's more affordable brand. Totoo, yeah. And of course, kung gusto mo na magkabahay, kaya mo na ang Amaya. So Miss Grace, so how so far, kumusta naman yung acceptance ng mga Cebuano sa Amaya?
Alright, right now as you know, we're launching the second tower of Amaya Steps Mandaue. Because of the successful selling of the first building, it's practically sold out. That's why we're formally launching next month, Tower 2.
So Tower 2 will be, kailan yung turnover po?
The turnover of the Tower 2 will be first quarter 2020.
Yung Tower 1, kailan?
It's already
may nakatira.
Okay.
So we
have turned over about 200 units sa Tower 1. There are few residents already, and there are also investors and weekenders.
So anong pagkakaiba sa Tower 1 sa Tower 2?
Well, practically, in terms of unit design and unit sizes, they're just the same. They are mirror of each other. However, the living experience when we turn over Tower 2 is like mas mabe-benefit nila the entire community because it's complete amenities already. The community is there na, so it's practically stable and it's a home already within the city.
So far, when you're talking about amenities, what are the amenities yung pinagyayabang mo for Amaya?
We have, it's a well thought of set of amenities. Like we have the swimming pool, the usual Filipino Cebuanos would enjoy, and very functional. We have swimming pool for adults, for kids. We have multi-purpose hall for everyone to gather. We have landscape areas. We have jogging path. Basically, it's a courtyard wherein we have the passive airflow, natural airflow for us to be. It's one of the sustainable features of Amaya.
So yung Amaya Steps ba, ilang buildings yung plan talaga yan for the whole development?
We only have 2 buildings.
Okay.
For the project. So basically, it's a less dense development unlike other developments. So you feel the privacy as well of an affordable Ayala Amaya brand.
So speaking of affordable, so how easy it is to own an Amaya unit pala?
Well, with Amaya, kaya mo na. Right now, our payment terms are very flexible and
so for as low as
8,500, 8,800, we have as low.
So how much is the equity normally? Ilang percent yan?
The equity is 10%.
And payable in?
Payable over 36 months for now, since we're launching by next month.
And afterwards, ano yan? Bank financing?
You can do bank financing, yes. The 90% will be a bank financing.
Normally BPI, so
well,
we're open to
partner banks So not only DTI, but we have various partners too.
Okay, so, and finally invite Cebuanos and other people in the nearby regions about your new project.
Okay, maayo.
Udto.
Udto. Mga Cebuano, we're inviting you to visit Amaya Steps Mandaue. Of course, here in Mandaue City, wherein you will experience a vibrant city living in Mandaue. This is our first project, Amaya's first project in Mandaue, in Cebu Province. We would like to invite you to see, come visit our project, and of course buy our project. We have very accommodating sellers. You just approach we have our sales office, and also you can visit the site, the project itself, so someone will assist you. Okay.
So there you have it, guys. So Amaya is ready now for occupancy in Tower 1, and now they're launching Tower 2. Exciting talaga. It's only 8,000 pesos, as low as 8,000 pesos. Magkano pala yung reservation fee?
The reservation fee is 20,000.
So 20,000, then 10% lang yung equity payable in 36 months. So super sulit yan. That's the Ayala brands, and hopefully makita kayo. Hopefully you visit their site and their showroom, and of course to see the development. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and di ba kaya mo na sa Amaya.
Kaya mo na. Thank you.